Question 8a, some points up for grabs, some marks up for grabs straight away for being able to plot coordinates. All I need to remember is that this is my x amount and the one on the right is my y amount, so I'm going to just do that for this one here as well. That's my x, that's my y. So my x means how much right or left, and it's been labelled here helpfully there, and my y means how much up or down. So point A is 4 on my x and 3 on my y. So 4 along and then 3 up, and I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to label that nicely A as well. Okay. Point B is 1 minus 5. Okay, so this means 1 on my x and then minus 5 on my grid, going down, minus 5. So point B goes here. And that is my 2 marks for question 8a. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can see the whole grid as well as my next question. Okay, 8b. Point C has the same x coordinate as B. Okay, so I'm going to write down where point C is going to be. And I'm going to just put the brackets like this. So the same x coordinate as B. I'm looking at B here. My x coordinate, the x1, is 1. So the same x coordinate as B, it's going to be 1. The same y coordinate as A. So my y coordinate for A was 3. So it's going to be the point 1, 3. So I can, that's C. So I'll mark that on 1, 3. That must be C for another mark. Now, tricky. They're trying to confuse you a little bit with this next one. Point D has the same x coordinate as the y coordinate of B. Again, I'm going to put these brackets in and just try to work this out. The same x coordinate, okay, so that's this one here, as the y coordinate of B. So I'm looking at B, and the y coordinate for B is minus 5. But I'm not going to put that in the y coordinate bit because it says the same x coordinate as that y coordinate for B. So it's minus 5 going in there. And the same y coordinate as the x coordinate of A. So my y amount here is the same as my x amount there. So that's got to be 4. So my answer here is minus 5, 4. Minus 5 on the x, but then 4 up. So minus 5, 4. And that's where I would plot D. And there's 5 marks in total for question 8.